Surrey.
Ooh.
Paul's got his hands full with the lunchtime rush.
I like ham sandwich. Well, you're a big boy.
I'm a big boy? Yeah.
I'm a princess.
I'm a princess?
No, I'm a princess.
You are a princess. Since being in lockdown, it's brought us more bonding time, more quality time, more nice time with the children. This is like the ultimate surprise plate, or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would eat all of that in about 4 seconds.
Can't when you get Big Derby again.
Exactly, so that's why I'm not eating it all. You want to take these outside, yeah?
Yeah, take them outside.
Right.
Happy face.
Keeping the kids fed is one thing,
Party.
but keeping them entertained in lockdown is another. So today, Big Paul's decided it's time to bring out the big guns. Looks like Paul's surprise has bought him and Sam a well-earned break.
Rosie's like, they're like Tarzan and Jane.
I know, yeah.
And her in the leopard print dress. That was her birthday dress. She insisted on wearing that today. I do think that since there's been such a positive difference in you, I've seen it in Paul.
Really?
Yeah, like, it's just rubbing off onto him. I suppose all of us. 'Cause if you're all happy and you're all in a good vibe, you all bounce off each other, don't you? I'm so proud of you. I've seen such a big difference in you. I feel like your mind isn't elsewhere. It's just nice to see you so happy. Don't want lockdown to be over.